हाय गाइस, मैं न्यू जंक्शन से आभा। तो आज मैं हूँ ऑर्टिमिस हॉस्पिटल गुड़गांव में, जहाँ पे 5G के एडवांस एम्बुलेंस लॉन्च की गई है। तो आइए जानते हैं इस एम्बुलेंस में ऐसा क्या खास है।
इमरजेंसी मेडिकल सर्विस के क्षेत्र में बड़ी पहल करते हुए ऑर्टिमिस हॉस्पिटल्स और मेडुलेंस ने गुरुग्राम की पहली 5G इनबिल्ट एडवांस एम्बुलेंस का अनावरण किया। गुरुग्राम के सेक्टर 51 स्थित आर्टिमिस हॉस्पिटल्स ऑडिटोरियम में एक प्रेस मीट में इसका अनावरण किया गया। यह अभूतपूर्व पहल नेक्स्ट जनरेशन 5G कनेक्टिविटी, AI संचालित डायग्नोसिस्ट और रियल टाइम टेलीमेडिसिन की ताकत से इमरजेंसी केयर में बदलाव लाने के लिए तैयार है, जिससे क्रिटिकल मामलों में प्रभावी रिस्पांस सुनिश्चित होगा।
On behalf of Artemis Hospital, welcome you all to this press meeting. Uh, in my capacity as Director, Emergency and Trauma Services at Artemis Hospital, I welcome you all to this unveiling of a landmark technology which will leapfrog us as far as emergency services is concerned into the next generation. We have officially launched the 5G enabled ambulance services in Artemis Hospital today. It is definitely the future of emergency medicine because how it matters. Emergency, as you all know, is care that is time bound. Emergency care means time is muscle, time is brain, and time is life. So the earlier we can reach to the patient within the so-called golden hour, the better for the patient. Okay. So how does this launch of this 5G ambulance services makes a difference? It gives us a real-time audio-visual transmission of the patient right from the time the ambulance picks up the patient. The patient data is transmitted to the emergency doctors who are sitting in Artemis Hospital emergency room. The paramedics can relate on the patient condition to the doctors. The doctors can advise accordingly what treatment needs to be done to the patient. Supposing a patient is reporting with chest pain and calls for the ambulance. The ambulance, within a matter of no time, picks up the patient. The real-time ECG of the patient is transmitted to the doctor sitting in the emergency, who then connect with the cardiologist, and the treatment that is usually started in the emergency room can now be started in the ambulance itself. It is now akin to an emergency room being carried to the patient at their doorstep, instead of the patient coming to the emergency and seeking care. So this is critical care which is being given to the patient right at the doorstep of the patient. So this is the future of emergency medicine. The pre-hospital medicine is advancing by leaps and bounds the worldwide, and we are taking a cue from that. And now, with the establishment of this 5G ambulance services, we are at par with any good emergency services anywhere in the globe. Traditional ambulances, they don't give you the live audio visual transmission of patient data what a 5G enabled ambulance gives you. This is a very big difference between what a normal ambulance service gives you and what a 5G enabled ambulance gives you. So the doctor is sitting in the emergency room, is having live access to the patient vitals, which is being transmitted from the ambulance. He can discuss the patient condition with the emergency medical technician that is accompanying the patient, and he can in fact start his treatment right from the time the patient is picked up in the ambulance. That is the difference. The patient need not have to wait to come to our doorstep. It is my emergency room that is reaching the doorstep of the patient.
सर, ये कितनी एम्बुलेंस लॉन्च की गई हैं आज और आगे कितने हुए और प्लानिंग है?
हमारी है अभी 6 एम्बुलेंसेज हम लॉन्च करेंगे अल्टीमेटली, so which will cater for the entire Delhi NCR, and even we will be catering for outside Delhi NCR patients also who require our 5G enabled hospital services basically.
ये एम्बुलेंस बनाने में कितनी चुनौतियाँ आई हैं आपको?
देखो एग्जैक्टली ये तो मेड्यूलेंसी या टेक्निकल चीज़ वो बता पाएंगे ज़्यादातर। मैं तो पेशेंट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन में ले पाऊँगा बेसिकली। हाँ। एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न, हमारी डिस्कशन चल रही है पिछले कुछ हफ्ते से, काफ़ी स्मूथ रही हमारी इंटरेक्शन. इनफैक्ट मेडिलेंस हैज़ ब्रॉट द टेक्नोलॉजिकल पावर टू अस टू ऑफर दिस नेक्स्ट जनरेशन लेवल ऑफ केयर टू इमरजेंसी पेशेंट्स.
Sir, how will this initiative improve emergency response time and patient outcomes?
As we have seen, देखिए कि इमरजेंसी का जो विद इन 3 मिनट्स आपने देखा एम्बुलेंस कॉल रिसीव हो रहा है, वो उसकी लेटेंसी कम हो जाएगी. एम्बुलेंस डिस्पैच हम जल्दी से जल्दी करेंगे. ओके. एंड पेशेंट का ट्रीटमेंट राइट फ्रॉम द पेशेंट के डोर स्टेप शुरू हो जाएगा. डेफिनेटली प्री हॉस्पिटल केयर इससे बहुत ऊंचे दर्जे का होगा, जो पेशेंट को यूजुअली मिलता नहीं. तो जो गोल्डन आवर जो हम कहते हैं, उसको हम रीडिफाइन कर रहे हैं बाय लॉन्चिंग दिस 5G एम्बुलेंस सर्विसेज. वो गोल्डन आवर वेस्ट ना हो पेशेंट ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए, वो गोल्डन आवर यूज़ हो पेशेंट के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. तो डेफिनेटली इट विल ट्रांसलेट टू सेविंग मोर लाइव्स.
इसके अलावा इसके अंदर कैपेसिटी कितने लोगों की है जो मरीज के अलावा आ सकते हैं?
ये एम्बुलेंस को जनरली जो हम भेजते हैं, एक एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर होता है, एक इमरजेंसी मेडिकल टेक्नीशियन होता है और एक नर्सिंग ऑर्डरली होता है. ये हमारा जनरली स्टाफ होता है. तो 3 लोगों की एम्बुलेंस क्रू होती है यूजुअली. दैट इज व्हाट. एंड जब पेशेंट आता है, एक अटेंडेंट भी जनरली अलाउड टू अकम्पनी द पेशेंट. The normal that we are charging for the patient for the ambulance services, that is being levied to the patient. So no extra cost.
It's an improvement in quality, not an improvement in cost. I think that's an understanding that we also have with Artemis Hospitals and overall that this is being done to improve the overall accessibility and effectiveness of an emergency service. It's not an upsell to the customer at all. We provide the services at the same standard. On the contrary, we want to make 5G ambulance the gold standard of emergency response services. Telecom providers can range. We can use Jio, Airtel, anyone for that matter from a telecom point of view. But the idea of using 5G is because obviously of the low latency that it brings in, and that's the reason for using 5G, because it allows for faster communication, telemedicine, data transmission, and that's why we're using 5G over internet.
And it's a seamless transmission of data across various providers actually. Irrespective whether it is Airtel, Jio, whatever it is. It's a seamless transmission of data.
We would just like to, I would just like to add to it. So anyone of you can dial this number written on the screen from your phone and just put it on the loudspeaker. I'll do it for you. So 0124 45 888. I'm just putting this on loudspeaker and let's see what the response is. 1 minute. That's what we are assuring. So thank you. That was a response. So that's what we are assuring, that once someone is trying to reach out, it's a seamless access. Calls will be answered within 3 minutes. So that's an assurance. Ambulance will leave my hospital premises in next 3 minutes. That's the second assurance we bring along. And third is, once you are boarded into the ambulance, 30 seconds you are connected to my doctors. So that's the power of 3 what we are trying to build in. We are also assuring that ambulance right now is not a mode of transport, but it is a treatment modality in itself. So your treatment will not be started once you are landing at the hospital, but when you are picked up at the venue, right? So that's where the treatment starts. So that's what we are bringing in, and as Dr. Shobhashish mentioned, that golden hour. So transport can take anything from 5 minutes to any number of hours. We can't predict. So that transition time is generally lost in managing the patient, not in treating the patient. With the launch of 5G, we are starting the treatment. That transit time is the treatment time, actual treatment time, where there is a VC. If required, my cardiologist can come and join that VC and direct the doctor on call or the nurse that this needs to be started, this medicine needs to be started. Whatever extreme possible we can do, we will be doing. So that's the endeavor of the 5G.
See, by launching these services, what Dr. Vishal is saying, we are redefining the golden hour now. We are, in fact, it is a mobile emergency room that is reaching the patient's doorstep. So the so-called golden hour is not wasted in transporting the patient. It is utilized to treat the patient. That is the difference.
And the idea is, I think, we want to ensure that ambulances become points of care rather than just transport vehicles. they should be able to provide services of mobile ICUs, and especially with getting the doctor's brain on the field, where with two-way communication, the patient can be treated while in transit, and the hospital will be more prepared about the
across Delhi NCR and even outside. So we are open to our ambulance services everywhere across basically.
So I would like to say that Medulance as a company had envisioned a 5G smart ambulance. I would say a few years back we launched it at the India Mobile Congress, this concept of a 5G ambulance, and it was launched by the Prime Minister himself. Today, with the support of Artemis Hospital, we are able to bring that vision to life. I would say, and now we'll see real case scenarios of the 5G ambulance setup. The 5G ambulance would be about 40-45 lakh rupees and can go up to about 50-60 lakhs depending on the kind of equipment that you put in the ambulance. However, this is a cost as it's not being transferred to the patient. Medulance and Artemis hospitals are absorbing this cost to ensure that the patient gets the benefit of the solution and not transferring the cost. Now, with initiatives, I would say even a company like Medulance, and we will do something with Artemis hospitals as well to ensure that we send the message about people giving way to the ambulance. I think the situation has improved. The government now imposes a fine as well for people blocking an ambulance while a patient is inside the ambulance in transit. And I would say we'll do more on spreading this awareness. I think with the advent of spreading information about the existence of ambulances that could save your lives, I think more is going to happen on those lines.
Emergency doctor in my ambulance into the cardiac cath lab. You see how much of time is saved by this 5G technology. That is what we are aiming to do. That is the future.